You have seen the aesthetic Pinterest boards from Milanote and the powerful databases from Notion. But let's cut the crap. You're not here for aesthetics alone. You want to get organized, manage your projects, and stay creative without the chaos. And here's the real question: which one actually to do more, Notion or Milanote? I've been using both for a couple of years, and in this video, I'll break down with zero fluff, real use cases, and exact recommendations based on whether you're a student, creative, agency owner, or solo pro freelancer. So let's get straight into it. So Notion, it's like a Lego for productivity. You get a black canvas, but with structure, tables, calendars, pages, databases, even customizable templates. You can customize those for your deep work and team workflow, even for your personal use. Milanote, on the other hand, is a digital whiteboard for visual thinkers. It's built for brainstorming, not building systems. It feels more like a creative studio than a structured workspace. As you can see, it has a lot of templates, pre-made templates, which is good. It has a lot of templates. Great. So ask yourself, do you think in bullet points and databases, or visualize with image, mind maps, and footboards? Point number two, interface and user experience. Notion is minimalist, sleek, but slightly there's a learning curve. You will spend time building templates unless you use pre-built ones. And by the way, you will get a lot of pre-built templates on YouTube if you search then on whatever your need is. For business, have it a student dashboard, agency, everything, project management. You will get everything. And by the way, we also have those video go in our channel. You can also get our templates. Milanotes, on the other hand, immediate visual feedback, drag and drop, and very easy to use, fast note taking, and great for presenting to clients. So the bottom line is Notion is better for organized thinkers. Milanote is better for visual communicators. So here's some core features. What can you actually do with both of them? With Notion, it has advanced databases, relations, filters, full project management, Kanban, calendars, timeline. Even you can sync this with Slack, Zapier, and many more. Excellent for documentation, wikis, and collaboration. Custom workflows, dashboards like this, and even your student life planning. Milanote, on the other hand, is perfect for mood boards, brand strategy docs, creative briefs, collaborate with clients' live boards, add images, checklists, arrows, embeds, no code or setup, ideal for writers, designers, video editors in ideation phase. So, last but not least, the use cases. Which one should you choose? Use Notion if you are a student managing notes, classes, revisions, courses, weekly planner, or if you are an agency owner managing tasks, clients, SOPs, a startup needing knowledge bases and wikis, even the solopreneurs running content systems and databases. And use Milanote if you are a designer working on branding or UX design, a filmmaker or YouTube planner storyboards, a filmmaker or YouTuber planning storyboards, a creative agency presenting the clients, a writer organizing the concepts. So, here's my honest take after using both tools for years. If you want to manage chaos, scale your projects, and build a system which grows with you, Notion is unbeatable. It's a second brain. But if you're in the early creative phase, brainstorming, storyboarding, ideating, Milanote is more natural and less intimidating. Want the best of both worlds? I use Notion for execution and Milanote for ideation. It's like left brain meets right brain. If you got value from this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which one you using in 2025, Milanote or Notion. I'm testing more creative tools this month, and next week's video, catch you in the next one.